All right, got a little sleeping platform to keep me out of the mud. And it's a little bit softer than the ground. The wood bends a little bit. Got this just in case it starts to snow really bad tonight. I can throw my blanket over the top and use it like a top. That'd make a nice target. All right, Jake, you think I can hit that shell? Little jar of gravy here. It's pretty frozen. Get that warmed up. Got some frozen oil. Got bacon chunks, green onions, yellow onions, and chives frying in a little butter and oil.